Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the brightness on GIGABYTE G7. You can do it in two different methods. The first one is clicking on this Control Center icon, and now you can adjust the brightness bar manually. But I think a more convenient way is clicking on the keyboard. And on the keyboard, you'll find the F8 and F9 keys right here. And in most cases, clicking on them alone won't change the brightness. It may do some other functions that are assigned in the system to F8 or F9. So if you want to change the brightness, most probably you'll need to click on Fn key combined with either of these keys, and that'll change the brightness. But in some rare occasions, in some rare scenarios, if you have a different setup of your function keys, if you have a Fn lock enabled for some reason, then it may work alone without the Fn key. So just try out either of those methods. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.